Are you also running your business through Facebook ads and still manually adding your Facebook leads to the CRM? Then you're totally wasting your time because this task can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. You can automate this entire task by just using Pabbly Connect. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Facebook leads to the HubSpot CRM instantly. So let me firstly show you the working of the automation which I have already built in. So here I'm going to fill my Facebook lead ads form, providing the email as newlead@pabblytudes.com, first name new, last name lead, and here I have entered the phone number and the city as well. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my HubSpot CRM account to check whether a new contact is created over there or not. So right here I'm on the contacts page of HubSpot CRM, which I'm going to refresh. And right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this lead having the name new lead, email is newlead@pabblytudes.com, and here you can see that an instant contact is created for my Facebook leads. So now you can also create this entire automation by just using Pabbly Connect, by using which you can integrate thousands of applications. So now let me show you how to do it. So let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by tapping its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow button. And right here I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, so I'm going to select it. And right here we are on the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to select trigger or action application. You just have to provide a prompt to this AI, and this AI will automatically make the setup for those particular applications. So here I'm going to enter my prompt as want to integrate Facebook lead ads and HubSpot CRM. So here I have entered it, and here I have to select the trigger of my Facebook lead ad. So here I'm going to select it as new lead instant. Now I'm going to select the HubSpot CRM action as create a contact. Now here I'm going to just approve it, and now let's open this workflow. And right here you can see that we are on the workflow page, where my Facebook lead ads and HubSpot CRM are already integrated. Now let's select Facebook lead ads, and here I'm going to build a new connection. So right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. Now let's click over this button, that is connect with Facebook lead ads, and right here I'm going to select my Facebook account, so I'm going to just click over this continue button. And here I'm getting this option for selecting it because I have already logged in my Facebook account. So make sure to firstly log in it, and here on my Facebook account I have created this page named as the Magic Makers, which I'm going to use to receive my new leads. So I'm going to select this page over my Pabbly Connect in this particular field for the page name. So now let me select it, and afterwards I have to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So right here I'm going to select my form as new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. And if you want to receive the leads of all the forms, created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now let me select new leads. Now let's select the response format as simple. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here you can see that the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, let's move on towards my meta for developers page with me, and right here I'm going to select the resources where I'm going to select the option of developer tools, and we will be landed to the developer tools page where I'm going to select a specific tool, that is lead ads RTO debug tool, which will lead me to the lead ad testing tool page where we will be getting our Facebook lead ads form. So right here we are on this lead ad testing tool page where I'm going to select my page, that is the magic makers. Now I'm going to keep my form as same, that is new leads, but I have to firstly delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode. And right here you can see that my lead has been deleted. Now we just have to click over this preview form button, and right here we are getting this form which I'm going to fill. So here I'm going to fill this form providing the email as test@pabblytudes.com, first name as test, last name as lead, and here I have entered the phone number and the city as well. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving the data of this particular lead over there or not, as we have recently built in the connection. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect where you can see 5 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger application, and now as soon as someone will fill your Facebook lead ads form, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to add this particular lead to my HubSpot CRM as a new contact. So I'm going to select this, and now let's make the connection by simply selecting this connect button. And right here I'm going to build my new connection, so I'm going to select it, and right here I'm going to select my account, and afterwards my connection has been built in so smoothly because I have already logged in my HubSpot CRM account. And right here we are getting all these fields. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter all these fields. But no, I'm not going to do so because I'm going to map all these fields. And now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map this field, that is email, from the response which I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol. And right here we are getting our previous application, that is Facebook lead ads. So from its response, I'm going to map the email address. And now afterwards, I'm going to map the first name from the response of the Facebook lead ads. So here I have mapped it, and now let's map our another field, that is the last name. So here I'm going to search for the last name field, and here I'm going to map my last name field as well. So here I have mapped it, and now I'm going to map the mobile phone number too. So here I have mapped the phone number as well, and now these fields are not necessary, so I'm going to just click over the save and send test request. And right here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a contact might be created over my HubSpot CRM account. So now let's move on towards my HubSpot CRM account and check it. So right here we are on this HubSpot CRM contacts page, and here I have refreshed this page, and here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this lead having the same name, that is test lead, the same email address, and the rest of the details too. So now you have seen how you can create this amazing automation by using which you can add your Facebook lead details to the HubSpot CRM without writing even a single word coding. So now by using this automation, as soon as new lead will be received, the data will be automatically added to the HubSpot CRM. So now you can also automate this entire process by just using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.